This tutorial will be showing you pausing Windows Update computer online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. And basically this will bring up the window for Windows Update. And right now I have this paused, but you can click this right here and it should say pause. And if this shows because you have not paused it, then you can pause it by clicking right here, the second option. Pause updates for 7 days. And as you can see, the Windows update has been successfully paused. However, a bonus tip and trick is if you want to pause this for more than 7 days or 30 days, go down and click advanced option, which is below view update history. And scroll down until you see pause updates at the bottom left hand screen, and click and scroll down, and you can click as further out as 30 days. In this case for me it's October 30th, 2024. And now you've successfully paused Windows Update in laptop, PC, or computer completely for free.